I think a great story needs at least one great character who wants something so badly that they're willing to risk everything for it. That creates the drama and that creates the interesting situations that create so many great films. And it could be anything, you know, it could be creating an island of dinosaurs, or it could be, you know, someone just wanting to move on from a life of trauma. You know, anything big or small, there needs to be that overwhelming desire to get whatever it is that they want so badly. That's the first thing. And then the second thing is, you know, you need forces against that character that are almost as strong as they are. Some people say every bit as strong or stronger. I wonder about that. Like, there needs to be a weakness in these obstacles that the character is able to identify and exploit in order to move on. You know, if you got those two things, I think you're off to a great start. And then I think the third thing is a viewpoint on the world from the filmmaker or the storyteller's perspective that's unique. And that could be anything. You know, it could be an interesting way that people talk. It could be the way of life in a particular part of the world. Something that makes that story something you haven't seen before, but that you feel that you've seen it before. The way I like to describe it is that if it rhymes with the truth, then it's something that's really effective. I heard Greta Gerwig say that when she was talking about writing Lady Bird. Yeah. And she said that script wasn't exactly her experience, but that it rhymed with the truth. And I thought that was really cool. So yeah, I think if you've got those three things, I think you're in good shape.
I'm thinking about the adaptation of Jon Krakauer's book with Christopher McCandless, so Into the Wild. I know that's a few years ago that came out, but to me, that's just such an amazing character journey. And although it's a sad movie, but there's so much in that, and there's so many elements to it. It's not just him braving the wild, but also being exposed to the city. Like, one of my favorite scenes is him looking into that like LA bar, and you can see the reflection and just see so much in that look on his face, on Emile Hirsch's face. And that's to me such a great, you know, again, it doesn't end well, but it...
Right, but it's a great journey of discovery. Like, you remember the time when he's in Slab City in that film. You know, that not only is a journey of discovery for him, but how many people have never heard of that area before? That's the first time they've ever seen it, you know? Right. Yep.
Right, and Rubber Tramps, like I didn't know what, and I was like, oh, okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's like that's such an interesting world.
Yeah.